This part here is called Discovery Island and it's the center stage for the Tree of Life. My favorite part about this was that it's home to many birds and they're able to fly freely. Now this part here is Pandora, the world of Avatar. They had one of our favorite rides called Avatar Flight of Passage. We're going to show you about half of the ride. It includes things like splashing a little bit of water at you and making you feel like you're actually flying. This was definitely one of our favorite rides from all of Disney World. We opted to stay in Pandora, the world of Avatar, for some food. We came across this Pandora-themed canteen restaurant. Ashley had the combination bowl, which included smoked chimichurri braised beef and grilled chicken, and I had the chili garlic shrimp bowl. Now, if you are going to Animal Kingdom, the safari is a must. Make sure you check it out. We've included some of the animals that we saw along the way.
Now we are entering the Little Aturi Forest. Now the Little Aturi Forest is home to a lot of animals. Today are the tallest land animals, reaching heights of up to 20 feet tall. If you look laying down in the bushes back there, there's also some eland. Mandrill, front and center. He's quite a bit larger and a little bit more colorful than the females. And mandrills actually have pockets in their cheeks to help them store snacks for later. It's crazy. approaching a flamboyance. Flamboyance is what we call a group of flamingos. This is another white rhino here. We find a group of rhinos. Now we know he's a male because he has that mane, which is that really thick amount of fur around his neck. Now, a lot of people think lions are lazy. That's not true.
This is the Discovery River. It's located across the expedition Everest Legend of the Forbidden Mountain. It had a lot of seating and we were able to catch a really good sunset.
It looks like we're all here. Let's go!
Okay, brace yourself! This is it!
All of you listening to WDNO Radio, where we're broadcasting live from
Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for all of our future videos. Leave a comment of where we should go next. We will catch you on the next one.